So I bought this LED headlamp for my Honda Hornet 7-inch on a German retailer store. I am quite sure you can get it also on AliExpress, even cheaper, but here it has some homologation imprints which are very necessary when you own the bike and ride it in Germany. I also recorded how I modified the headlamp, or at least parts, but you will see it. First, I have to disassemble the old headlamp, which consists of the front part and some rings which are held together by screws. I skipped all the parts where I searched for the best matching bits. This was a little flimsy, so that part where I disassembled it is also a little shortened. I start to assemble it back together. I will make a mistake, but you will notice it maybe soon. The parts fit surprisingly good. Well, it's 7-inch. But you should of course take care when assembling it where the top and where the bottom of the lamp and of the ring is, and make sure they match each other. Additionally, I needed to create an adapter for the plug because the Honda one does not fit on the one provided with the headlamp. Finally, I managed to assemble neatly. Unfortunately, the GoPro did not cooperate on the further recording, but when I managed to do it, anyone can do it. Now for some comparison. It is hard to compare because there was different weather on these days. The GoPro makes also some automatic correction to the lightning and shutter speed and things like that, so these pictures are not completely comparable. However, you will very likely notice that on the new LED headlight the cone of the light is much wider and brighter. On long beam, however, the difference is not that huge. While the original halogen lamp switches, the LED lamp just adds a little area of light. Well, I am not sure if I really like the look. Also, the visibility on daylight is not really better than with the original halogen lamp. However, in the dark, the new LED headlight provides a much better visibility in short beam mode, so I think we have a keeper. Also, the fitting is really perfect, so nothing to complain there either. Hopefully the German authorities also don't have problems with this kind of headlamp.